Setting up your Favorites bar. Customize your Favorites bar in Shortcuts Live to suit you so that you can quickly access your frequently used screens in one click. In this lesson, you'll learn how to add frequently accessed functions to your Favorites bar and remove functions from your Favorites bar. From General Settings, select Roles. Favorites can be set up for each individual role in the business. Select a role from the left panel, then click Favorites. The main menu categories are shown on the left. Click on a category to show the screens within that category. Drag and drop the icons you want to add to your Favorites bar. To select a screen from a different category, select a category from the left, then drag and drop your selected icon. Click and drag the icons into your preferred order. To remove icons from the Favorites bar, click Delete. Click Done to see the selected screens in your Favorites bar. In this lesson, you've learned how to add frequently accessed functions to your Favorites bar and remove functions from your Favorites bar.